Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to compress PDF file size in Canva. Now, if you find this video helpful, a like and subscribe would mean a lot. Alright, let's dive in. First of all, I want to make sure that Canva does not offer any direct feature by which you can compress PDF file size, but here's something what you can do. Just go over here on top right corner and click on share. Okay, select download. Just click on this drop down arrow and make sure you have selected PDF standard. Don't select PDF print, it's for high quality. Just select PDF standard and make sure you have unchecked these boxes. After that, just click on download. So here's what you can do on Canva. Now, if you want to compress your PDF into a really small one, just open a new tab and here type PDF compressor I love PDF. PDF compressor I love PDF. Okay, now just go on the first website I love PDF and just click on select PDF file. Now in here select your PDF file and just click on compress PDF. Okay, now you can download your compressed PDF file. As you can see, it has reduced the PDF size from 1.03 MB to 212.13 KB. So that's it for the video. That's how you can compress PDF size. Thanks for watching.